Logitech, a giant in innovation for computer peripherals, is reaching out today to fans of compact design with a version of the famous MX Case, its high-end office keyboard. This version, called the MX Keys Mini, brings back everything that made its big brother a success: exceptional build quality, precise typing, and smart backlighting, all while adopting a smaller format that's perfect for tight workspaces or frequent travel. Whether you're working from home, a student, or a professional, this keyboard is a compact and modern solution for working efficiently while optimizing your space. And if you use multiple devices, its multi-device connectivity and customization make it a powerful tool. If you're interested, check out the link in the description to explore this keyboard in detail and maybe even add it to your setup. The MX Keys Mini is a smaller version of the. At first glance, it looks a lot like its big brother, the MX Case, but with much more compact dimensions, just 29.6 centimeters long compared to 43 centimeters for the classic model, while keeping the same width of 13.2 centimeters. Its thickness ranges from 6 millimeters to 2 centimeters, thanks to a slight natural tilt that improves typing posture. No angle adjustment here, but the design already provides great comfort. The choice of materials is top-notch. Despite its light weight of just 506 grams, this keyboard exudes sturdiness with high-quality rigid plastic and a metallic finish. It's available in 3 stylish colors: graphite gray, pale pink, and light gray. An exclusive version for Mac comes in white and even features keys specifically for Apple users. Underneath the keyboard, there are 6 anti-slip pads that ensure impeccable stability, even on the smoothest surfaces. There's also a USB-C port located at the back for charging, along with a discrete LED that shows the battery status. This keyboard is clearly designed to last while providing an optimal user experience. The MX Keys Mini is packed with features that set it apart from many office keyboards. First of all, its smart backlighting. Thanks to proximity sensors, the keys light up as soon as your hands get close and turn off automatically when you move away. It's a perfect feature for saving battery while providing optimal typing comfort, even in low light conditions. You can also manually adjust the brightness across 7 levels. When it comes to battery life, this keyboard is impressive. 10 days of use with the backlighting on and up to 5 months if you turn it off. You can use it continuously without having to think about recharging it, except maybe once or twice a year. On the connectivity side, Bluetooth Low Energy lets you connect up to 3 devices at the same time with the Easy Switch feature. Switch from a computer to a tablet or smartphone with just a click on the F1, F2, or F3 keys. You also have the option to use the Logic Bolt, a separate USB receiver for a more secure connection, perfect for professional environments. Finally, Logitech has added some new and handy features. There's a voice dictation key, an emoji key for quickly inserting emojis into your messages, and a mute key that lets you turn your mic off or back on in an instant. Subtle additions, but they can really make a difference in your daily life, especially for video calls. Right from the first keystrokes, the MX Keys Mini stands out with its smooth and pleasant typing experience. The keys use perfect stroke technology, a scissor mechanism that provides precise and cushioned feedback. This type of typing, which is a cross between mechanical keyboards and laptop keyboards, ensures a great typing experience even during long sessions. The lack of a numeric keypad, while limiting for some, frees up space and offers better ergonomics. The reduced distance between the keyboard and the mouse helps minimize hand movements, which is a real plus for avoiding tension in the shoulders and wrists. Creatives, writers, and even developers will quickly find their groove on this keyboard. The Logitech Options software adds a welcome layer of customization. You can remap certain keys for specific actions, adjust the functions of the F keys based on the app you're using, or even set up unique shortcuts. The Flow feature, combined with a compatible mouse like the MX Master 3, even lets you copy and paste files or text between multiple devices with just one gesture, a feature that takes productivity even further. When you compare it to the classic MS Case, the MS Keys Mini clearly stands out as the obvious choice for those who prioritize compactness. It maintains the same typing quality and level of finish while removing the numeric keypad and some less used keys like Home or Page Up. That can be a plus or a downside depending on your needs. For regular office use or on the go, the Mini is a great choice. However, if you regularly work with spreadsheets or applications that require a numeric keypad, The Classic MXK is still more suitable. In terms of price, both models are in the same range, which might seem surprising given the Mini's smaller size, but its compactness and portability justify this investment for the targeted users. The Logitech MX Keys Mini is a real success, combining compactness, elegance, and advanced features. It perfectly meets the needs of digital nomads, remote workers, and anyone looking to optimize their workspace. Its smart backlighting, multi-device connectivity, and customization through Logitech options make it a powerful and versatile tool. For those who don't need a numeric keypad or are looking for a lightweight and portable keyboard, this is a must-have choice. So feel free to click the link in the description to learn more or add it to your collection. Every click and purchase through this link supports the channel, and I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed this presentation, drop a comment to share your thoughts, give the video a thumbs up if it was helpful, and finally, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product discoveries. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye-bye.